When designing page layouts, a lot of times you're going to use a sketch of kind of your ideas or kind of a background layout. What Dreamweaver allows you to do, this is just ingenious, I don't know why people haven't had this feature forever, is allow you to load up a background image called a tracing image. So let's just create a new document, and I'm going to create just a blank HTML document. And on top of this, I'm going to say View, and we're going to say Tracing Image, Load. At this point, we can go in and find an image that we want to use. So let's go up to our Images directory. Okay, we have Interface, and I have one called BG for Background. So we'll just load that up. And at this point, we can set a little bit of transparency. So I'll drop this down to around 58%. And there you go. Now this is not editable, okay? And if I save this file in preview, we wouldn't see it. It's strictly for our layout purposes, but it's great because now I can drop a table directly on top of this, get my sizes right, just like that, and get all of the pieces ready. Now, if I wanted to, I could take it one step further. I can actually go into my layout mode, okay, click on layout, and it's telling me to do this. You're going to want to draw a table and then draw cells. So we'll say OK. So I can now create a table. I'll just click and drag, and you can see I'm adding this directly to my document here. Okay, I'm going to draw a cell. Just like that. It snaps perfectly. Okay, I know my logo is up here, so I'm going to draw a cell, and it just snaps to the edges perfectly. And one more. Okay, so with that done, I'll draw another table. This table is going to come in. And let me actually turn off those let's see. I don't really care for those, so let's see. Let's see if we can add another table here. Okay, this will come down to the end like this. We'll add some cells. So you can see just by building this real simple setup here. Okay, and one more. This is for the footer. Okay, I got that done, and now when I go to standard mode, you'll notice that, I'll go to extended just so you can see, all of my cells have already been laid out, ready to go. They're ready to use. So let's turn off our image. Okay, our tracing image I'll turn off. And there's our table, ready to go, ready to be populated with content. So I can quickly add my graphics to this. So we'll go ahead and do that. Let's see our interface elements here. So we can drop in graphics, we can drag and drop in our logo. For this, we'll change our row to black. Oops, let's get this correct here. There we go. So very, very quickly, having that tracing image makes great work of setting up each of these different cells. So it's a very, very fast feature. I'm really glad they added this to this new version.